Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can apply a carved wood effect on text. As usual, I'm going to start off by creating a new canvas. Go to File, New, change the background contents to transparent and click OK. Then select the text tool and change font type, size, style and color to your preference. And type your message and press enter or click the confirmation mark. Then activate the free transform tool, edit, free transform and resize and reposition the text. Now select the text layer and change the fill to 0%. Then right click and select blending options and apply the stroke effect. Here I am going to keep everything the same but change the size of the structure to 75 pixels. You can choose how many pixels you would like, then click OK. So now we have done the first part. It's time to save this. Go to File, Save As, rename, then change the format to PNG. As I want the text to be transparent, if I save as JPEG, the background will be opaque. Then click OK. I'm going to close this document now as I won't be needing it. Moving on, I'm now going to open a wood effect background image. File, Open, select your chosen image. Then to get the previous text we designed to sit on top of this background, I'm going to go to File, Place and browse to open the text you saved earlier. Now you can resize and reposition the text. Once you have done that, you could have clicked the confirmation mark. Change the fill of the text layer to about 36% and press enter. Now change the layer blend mode to color burn. Then right click on the text layer and select blending options and apply bevel and emboss effect. Here change the structure technique to chisel hard. Change the depth to about 170% and set the direction to down to instead of up and the size to 15 pixels. Moving on to the shading content below, change the highlight mode to color dodge and the opacity to 50%. We are not done just yet. I'm also going to apply the inner shadow effect. Here I am changing the angle to 120 degrees, the distance to 28 pixels, the choke to 35%, and lastly the size to 35 pixels. Now that's looking good. Click OK. So that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment below for any more videos you'd like me to make.